Hi friends, now in this lecture, last time we solved beta Lm is equal to gamma L gamma m upon gamma L plus m. Okay, so suppose in your exam he has asked what is the application of this, and in the exams they have asked 0 to 1 x to the power 4 1 minus under root x की power 5 dx. They can give you any question. I am just putting this question. Okay, so now you have to put under root x is equal to t, then you are getting x is equal to t square. Okay, so it implies that dx is equal to 2t dt. Okay, now put the value here 0 to 1. If you are putting this value, then there is also no effect. At 0 is equal to t is equal to 0, 1 is equal to t is equal to also 1. Okay, so under root x is equal to t. So what about x? X is equal to t square. It means that x is equal to t की power t square की power 4, and 1 minus under root x is equal to t and की power 5 dx is equal to 2t dt. Okay, so you are getting 4 to the 8. Okay, and plus 1 9. 2 it will come outside. T की power 9. 1 minus t की power 5 dt. Okay, you are getting this. Okay, so you know that I have told you beta Lm is equal to this, and what about beta Lm? Beta Lm is equal to this and this both are same. You can see. Okay, now you can put 2 0 to 1. This is L minus 1, so you can write 10 minus 1. Okay, 10 minus 1, and you can write 1 minus t, and you can write 6 minus 1 dt. Okay, 6 minus 1 is equal to 5, 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. It means that L is equal to 10 and m is equal to 6. So it implies that this is beta mn. So this is beta mn, and means 10 and 6. So what about beta 10 and 6? This is equal to this. It means that this is equal to 2 gamma. This is 10 and gamma 6 upon gamma 10 plus 6. Very simple. Okay, so you have this formula. Okay, and last time I have solved this gamma. What about this gamma 10? Okay, what about this 6, and what about this? Okay, so you must note this is 10 plus 6 is equal to 16. So you are getting 2. What about this one? So this is gamma 10 is equal to this. You can write gamma 10 is equal to 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1. Okay, and this is 6. Okay, this is 6. You can write 5 plus 1. Okay, and upon you can write this 16. Gamma 16 is equal to 15 plus 1. 15 plus 1. Okay, so by the help of this formula you can write this is 2 into 9 factorial into 5 factorial upon 15 factorial. This is the answer. Very simple, very simple. Okay, same question they have asked last time. What they have asked? 0 to 1 1 minus x cube. Okay, and की power minus 1 upon 2 dx they have asked. So what will you, how will you solve it? Here you have to place x to the power 3 is equal to y, let. Okay, let, because already we have in this formula there is a x. Now we are taking let it is y. We can take any value. Okay, these are the variable, this is also variable, no problem. Okay, so it implies that x is equal to y की power 1 upon 3. Okay, so what about dx? If you will differentiate it, then you will get 1 upon 3 y की power minus 2 upon 3 dx. Sorry, dy. Okay, dy. You differentiate it. Now you know that if x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 0. If x is equal to 1, then y is equal to 1. So there is no changes. Okay, so 1 minus x cube is equal to y. Okay, so this is y की power minus 1 upon 2. What about dx? Dx is equal to this 1 upon 3 y की power minus 2 upon 3 dy. This value in place of In place of bx we have put here, in place of this we put here, we put this value. Okay, so this is 0 to 1. Then after then you are getting this constant, it will become outside, and 1 minus y ki power minus 1 upon 2, and this value y ki power minus 2 upon 3 dy. If you will just write in a good manner, then you will get 1 upon 3, 0 to 1. This write in a good manner. So in this manner you have to write. So what is this actually? If you will just write in a good manner, then you will get this value and this value. You have to write in this manner. If 1 minus y, it means that if you will write 1 minus y ki power this, it means that m minus 1 is equal to minus 1 upon 2. This is m is equal to minus 1 upon 2 plus 1. 2 and 2 1 is equal to 1 upon 2. It means that m is equal to 1 upon 2. So you can write 1 minus y, 1 upon 2 minus 1. You can write this value. Similarly, this value is equal to 2 upon 3 is equal to 1 upon 3 minus 1. You can put this value here, dy. So this is m is equal to 1 upon 2 and L is equal to 1 upon 3. So this is 1 upon 3 beta 1 upon 3 or 1 upon 2. Okay, you have this value. So now you can put, by the help of this formula, you can put 1 upon 3 gamma 1 upon 3 gamma 1 upon 2 upon gamma 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 2. Okay, so you are getting 1 upon 3. You can also write it this value 1 upon 3. How to solve this one or how to solve this one, we will explain you after some time. So this is your answer. Okay, thank you so much. We will just solve another question that is very important for you.